Welcome everyone. I usually don't do this type of video, but I saw this comment saying that on my video discussing ultra frame rate and COD Mobile that it isn't 120 FPS like I was claiming, it was actually 90. Now, I can tell the difference between 60 Hz, 75 Hz, 90 Hz, 120 Hz, 45 Hz, and even 40 Hz. Quite easy, you switch one, and I can tell you the exact one you switched it to, but maybe I'd done something wrong. So I just wanted to be 100% sure. So on my camera, I have 120 FPS recording. And so what I can do is I can record the 60 FPS version, which is max, and then the 120 FPS version ultra. I can record them at 120 FPS, slow down the footage by 4 times, and then we can analyze the footage to see whether or not this ultra frame rate is actually 120 FPS or if it's actually 90. So what you're going to see right now on screen is going to be the cutscenes, and what we will notice is for every 1 frame which passes on max frame rate, 2 frames pass on ultra frame rate. Now you'll also see me moving around the Arctic 50 again. For 1 frame which passes on max, 2 frames pass on ultra. So what does this mean? Well, what it means is max frame rate 60 FPS, 100% confirmed. Well, if 2 frames pass on ultra for every 1 frame on max, this means ultra is 2 times faster than max, right? Following me? So 60 times 2 is 120. What does that mean? Well, ultra frame rate is 120 FPS, max is 60, obviously we know that, but ultra is not 90 FPS. So there might be a situation where, if you're using Android, they may make the ultra frame rate 90. I don't know. I haven't tested this, but on the iPad Pro 2021, COD Mobile runs ultra frame rate at 120 FPS. This is 100%. Could it run 90 FPS on these other older tablets, like the older iPad Pros, maybe even Android tablets? I don't know. But what I do know is on the iPad Pro 2021, it runs at 120 FPS. So I just wanted to clear up any confusion there. So I just wanted to make this video for anyone who was in doubt. 100% this runs at 120 FPS. So see you guys later. Make sure to check out that gameplay video if you watched this without watching that in the description. And also check out my playlist for all the other games I benchmarked on COD Mobile. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye-bye.